Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can you solve a problem that you are facing if your microphone is getting frequently put out in your Discord. So if you're facing the issue where your friends are complaining that your microphone is frequently getting put out while you are on a Discord server, then how can you face the problem? That is what we are going to see in this video. So for this, first of all, you need to open up your Discord. This can be in the web browser or in the app, doesn't matter. Then go to this cork symbol, that would take you to the user settings. Once you are in the user settings, you need to search for voice and video, so that would be under the app settings. So let's click on voice and video. Now once you are in voice and video, the most common issue that happens over here is this input sensitivity. So what does Discord does is it automatically tries to decide the sensitivity level of your microphone by itself, but we need to eliminate that problem, and that is the root cause of why sometimes your microphone may get put out. So we are going to remove this by selecting the input mode, which is by default voice activity to push to talk. So it asks you that this would only happen if you download a desktop application. So for that you can just simply download the desktop application, and then you can just select the key from your keyboard through which you can easily toggle your microphone. So you can turn on and turn off your microphone, and that would solve the issue. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.